Welcome to this video on mastering SQL data manipulation. We will explore how to safely use the insert, update, and delete commands to manage data in any application. The SQL universe is divided into two sides: reading data with select and changing data with data manipulation language, or DML. While select acts as an observer, DML commands are the actors that make applications dynamic. Think of DML as real-world actions. Insert creates new entries, update evolves existing information, and delete cleanses your database. Together with select, these form the foundation of dynamic applications. Insert is the birth of data, strictly adding new records to a table. A best practice is to explicitly name your columns in the query to ensure compatibility if your table structure changes in the future. Beyond basic insertion, you can use bulk loading for efficiency, handle default or null values, and even perform data migration by copying records between tables. The update command modifies existing data. A critical warning: always use a where clause to target the specific rows you want to change. Otherwise, you risk overriding every row in your database. You can scale updates to handle complex tasks, such as incrementing values, applying mathematical changes, or even syncing data from another table entirely. The delete command removes entire rows from a table. Remember, this is an all-or-nothing action for each row, which is essential for database hygiene and maintaining compliance. Distinguish between delete and truncate. Delete is surgical and transaction-friendly, while truncate is like a sledgehammer, a fast, non-targeted factory reset for your table. Avoid common pitfalls. Whether it's missing a where clause, confusing data types, or hitting foreign key constraints, always plan your queries carefully to avoid data disasters. Follow these golden rules. Use the 99% rule for where clauses, always dry run with select, rely on primary keys for precision, and use transactions as your safety seatbelt. Transactions act as a safety net. By beginning a transaction and using commit or rollback, you ensure that you can safely reverse changes if they don't work as expected. In a real-world bookstore, this cycle of inserting new stock, updating counts after sales, and deleting discontinued items represents the vast majority of database activity. Now it's your turn. Use what you have learned to map these tasks, creating, evolving, and cleansing data to the correct SQL commands. Remember to always include your where clauses,